Hey, 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 ice, drip, white, wrist, bad bitch, she.
What is up, guys? I know, I'm back at it again, but today I'm looking at this 2014 BMW M5. It is $42,000. $50,000 is my budget, so it's definitely within my budget. It is at CarMax, which, if they're dumb, if they do the Doug DeMuro and sell me a warranty on this, I am down. Now you can see the brakes here got a little rust on them. Let's see if she's open. Of course not. So we're gonna have to wait to see the interior, but let's take a look at the outside. Pilot Super Sports on deck, so that's a good sign. Means somebody wasn't cheap on the tires. Paint looks really good. I don't really see any swirling, which means somebody probably ceramic coated this thing at some point. Took really good care of it, you know. The plastic looks like it's a little faded right here. And the vent. Overall, it's in really good condition. So it comes with a dealer warranty, 90 days or 4,000 miles. Okay. 7-day vehicle return policy. Okay. Cool. Pilot Super Sports all the way around. I like it. She seems like she's in really good shape. We're gonna have to see what they say. We're gonna wait for them to give us the opportunity to take this thing out. But I know this is a no haggle. The only thing that sucks, this is the thing that gets me with M cars now, and this is why, like, Carlos's M3 was awesome, because it had an actual manual. This does not. This has that faux manual. Basically, if you shift this car, you're going to be shifting everything with the steering wheel, which I don't have a problem with that, honestly. But that's a beautiful car. This is an M5 that's in really good shape. I really like this one. I don't know what that is. Okay, whatever the hell that is. But you can see 20 miles per gallon on the highway, 14 in the city. You know. So you're looking at like 600 a month, 650 a month. I should be in the very good range, so I'm looking at like probably 2.9 to 4% a month if I decide to finance it. But I don't know, man. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. What do you guys think about this BMW M5? It's got a bad battery. It's so after taking a look at the motor, it looks like it has a battery issue, which is common on BMWs that's been sitting. So we'll see how it goes. If they'll sell me an extended warranty on this, I may buy it. We're going to take it for a drive here in a minute, and I'll let you guys know what I think after taking the car out, if it's you know, worth its asking price. I think $42,000 is not bad for this car with its current mileage. So we'll see. So basically the car performed exactly as I expected it to as I took it out for the test drive. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below, if it's something you'd like to see on the channel. If you'd like to see me get back into more BMW content like the past. And I'll see y'all in the comments.
She on the brand, she bustin' over like Z's. She wanna